beautiful waves here on this label. There is only one thing missing, but I can see it. I don't know if you can. A Greek boat. So this is a bottle of Kados of Duca di Salaparuta. We are in Risignolo, Salemi, just on the western side inland of Sicily near Trapani. What was I looking for here was a boat. Why a boat? Because like the label looks like the sea waves, right? Sicily was colonized by the Greeks 2,700 years ago. And the Greeks brought viticulture over in the island. So I like to think that right on these waves, I can see those boats, right? Bringing the bush tree training system in the island that still can be found around this area. In this case, we have a Grillo, indigenous variety from Sicily. Grillo got famous as one of the main varieties of Marsala. But in Duca di Salaparuta, they've always been fond of this very crisp, light and refreshing variety. So I just cracked open the bottle here with you, and let's go see what this wine is like. Super floral, like jasmines, tropical hints, a touch of slightly oak spices, a little bit of vanilla. I know that the wine goes for a few days, a part of the wine, like 55% in oak fermentation. So hence some of these extra spiciness. But on the palate is all about the lime, lemon peel, like the very essence, like almost like balsamic lemon peel, and super refreshing acidity. This is a wine that is going to be smashing in summertime by itself. Sea bass, like simple fish, like crayfish, some red shrimp carpaccio will be just perfect. You know, I like how reactive the wine is, with almost some salty bites in the end. I like this Kados. You should give it a shot. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.